In this question, we're looking at the scores that Tom Daly has received for his dives. So we know that he did 5 dives and his average, or his mean, was 87.8. So his mean score was 87.8. So using our formula for working out the mean, we know that all of his scores, all of his dives added up together gives us an unknown, which is x, and that is divided by 5 because there were 5 scores that were added together, and that gives us a mean of 87.8. So we can now rearrange this to find out what his total scores were for the 5 dives. We can't work out what each individual score was, but we can work out what the total was. So we just need to rearrange this so that we get x on its own. So the inverse of dividing by 5 is timesing by 5. So that would cancel out, and that becomes 87.8 times 5, which becomes 439. So we know that all his scores from the 5 dives added up to 439. And now we know that he did another dive, and his total scores now added up to 439.4. So for 5 dives, he scored 439, and for 6, he scored 539.4. So now we can work out what he scored in his dive that took him from 5 to 6. So we do 539, take away 439, and that equals 100.4. So we know that in his 6th dive he scored 100.4.